5,500 kunyari na programs, parang lumalabas, kaya natin ito ginawa dahil ito yung maliliit, kaya patsi-patsi. Pero yung malalaki, sana sekretary, magsalita din po kayo. Kasi yung malalaki hindi pinondohan. Siniro. Yun ang sabihin nyo sa buong kongreso. Kaya maliliit yung ginagawa namin. Kaya sa totoo lang, wala ho talagang impact. Yun ho yung lumalabas.
No, over the years, there has not been any dredging and desilting operations that were carried out in the principal rivers all over the country. And this is the reason why yung lahat ng major rivers natin are silted and the riverbeds are very shallow to a point that any downpour, mag-overflow po yung riverbanks. So ngayon, ito yung patse-patse na tinatawag natin na flood walls na ginagawa for the time being.